Videos, videos, videos. This is the number one tip for you if you're planning to create videos as part of your marketing strategy in 2019. Subtitles. Subtitles are really important. Two instances where you should definitely have subtitles. One, if you're planning to embed your videos in Facebook or Twitter, on different social media channels, or even on LinkedIn, it's definitely preferable to have subtitles in them. Because most of the time when people are watching these videos in their social channel feeds, they don't have their volume turned on, or even if they wanted to, they don't have their headset, so they could be on like a public transport or they're in an office, so they won't be able to watch your video if you don't have subtitles there. Number two, you are a non-native English speaker and then you have a very strong accent. I get it, not everyone can pronounce English in the most perfect way, like the British English or the American English. So many people might struggle, especially for the native speakers. Some of them might not have heard of your accent before, so they might struggle to hear what you're trying to say in those videos, especially if you're getting started and you're not that familiar yet. Having those subtitles will really help people to understand your videos better. Parts of your sentences, there might be some phrases that you might not be pronouncing it the standard way. So with the subtitles, it definitely helps people to understand your videos, and everyone who is native, non-native will be able to understand your video perfectly. So there are different ways you can add subtitles. For myself, what I usually do is I'll load up onto YouTube and then get it subtitled and then sync up with the timings. So that's very useful. Once you have the SRT file, you can download it and burn it into your videos. If you want to upload the same video on other channels like in Facebook or Instagram, LinkedIn, or even Twitter as well. So what do you think? Do you think subtitles are important for creating videos? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and follow me for more exciting marketing strategies and LinkedIn tips. See you!